Travis Barker has gone against his doctor's orders to perform with Machine Gun Kelly, the singer has claimed. The Bloody Valentine rocker, 32, shared the news that the Blink-182 drummer, 46, will join him on tour with his delighted fans on his Instagram stories on Wednesday. It'll be an added bonus for the crowd at the remaining gigs of his mainstream sellout tour. MGK shared a screenshot of the pair's FaceTime video on social media alongside the message, "Against doctor's orders and with a broken thumb, I convinced Travis Barker to come join us for the last couple days." In another pic of Travis sticking his middle finger up, Megan Fox's Beau also gave his followers a sneak peek of what tunes to expect. He wrote, "Put a middle finger up if you'll be playing Love Race with us tonight," before adding, "Looks like a middle finger." Travis, who married Kourtney Kardashian in May, shared the images on his own Instagram too, showing he's excited to be a part of the show. He also took the time to promote some of the limited edition merchandise that will be up for grabs at the gig. The latest defiance is similar to Travis' actions last month as he made his highly anticipated return to the stage alongside his mate. It came just weeks after his scary trip to hospital because of life-threatening pancreatitis. At the time, MGK told his adoring crowd, "You know, a fun fact is that Travis is not supposed to be playing drums right now, but guess what he's doing here? Playing drums right now. Trav, I know we agreed to one song, but I would be remiss if I did not ask you to play one more song." Kourtney was alongside Megan in the crowd that night as Willow and Avril Lavigne headlined. Earlier this month, Travis and Kourtney were said to have boarded a commercial flight following the backlash the reality TV star sisters Kim and Kylie had received. Kylie, 24, was branded a climate criminal last month after she took a 12-minute flight on her $58 million Bombardier Global 7500 jet, dubbed Kylie Air. According to Celebrity Jets on Twitter, the mom of two made the short trip from Palm Springs to Van Nuys, Los Angeles, which is close to her Hidden Hills mansion. And followers were further enraged to discover she had to drive 26 miles in the opposite direction to her final destination just to get to the jet, when the journey by car would have only been 30 miles anyway.